In this lecture, we will create virtual environment for our Python project. So I'll go to my project folder, go to address bar and type cmd. This would open the command window in this particular directory. Now the first thing we need to check is whether we have Virtualenv tool installed on our system. This is the tool that is used for creating the virtual environment. So I will type virtualenv dash dash version. And as you can see, I have version 20.13 installed on my system. If you do not have this tool installed, all you need to do is to pip install virtualenv and this would install the tool. Next thing we need to do is create a folder where we would create all the virtual environments. So I'll go to my project folder and create the folder here. You can create this environments folder elsewhere on your system as well. So I'll go back to command window, change to this environment folder. And now we need to create the virtual environment. So to do that, we will type virtualenv and then the name of the environment. I'll call this IBAPI_env. So I hit enter. And now if I go back to the environments folder, you will see that we have this new folder created for this virtual environment. Now, after creating this virtual environment, we need to activate this. To activate this, we need to run the activate script inside this IBAPI_env folder. So I'll type IBAPI_env/scripts/activate and press enter. And now as you can see, we have IBAPI_env mentioned at the start of the command prompt. This means that this virtual environment is now active. If you want to deactivate it, you can type deactivate, and as you can see, IBAPI_env is no longer mentioned at the start of the command prompt, which means we are now in the global environment. Let's activate the environment again. Now, any package or tool that we installed will be installed in this virtual environment and not globally.